whatever the trimmings, I don't care. So that, and it was pretty cheap, 14 reais, which in South African terms was 7 rand. Now that's probably about 50 American cents. So that was quite a bargain. So we pointed at the menu, and the waiter said, "Yeah, cool." And we waited a while, and along came the food, and lo and behold, it looked like a burger. It had a patty in there, and it had the buns on top. There was some side salad and some chips, and it looked awesome and lovely. And we started eating, and it went all fine. And, I tasted the burger, and I told my wife, I said, "Oh, it's interesting, that they put sugar in the meat because it's quite sweet." And we just kept on going. And man, the waiter came past, and he looked at us and he said, "Horsey, horsey nice." And I literally went, "Oh." Where I'm from, we have horses as pets. We don't eat them. And yeah, that was quite a shock. But, it shows you, like, let's look at this from a psychological point of view, as I always do. We grow up in a culture where we are told that some things are taboo to eat or some things aren't, and all of that stuff. Like snakes and crocodiles, you don't eat that stuff. Australians do, apparently. I don't think all of them do, actually. Um, the psychological thing then about that is it gets into your mind, and for your mind, that becomes taboo. And that's exactly what happened in that moment. When I realized what I was eating, it was all the emotional stuff. It was more emotional than physical. It's just meat, man. It's just sweet meat. That's all it is. And that's what I told my wife. However, when he told me what I was eating, all of that emotions, all of the booze, all of that stuff just hit me in one shot. And that is why I had such a severe reaction.